Every 10 years following the US Census, states redraw their voting districts to reflect population changes. Normally, we call this redistricting, but when it's done in a way that gives one political or racial group more or less of a political voice, it's called gerrymandering. How? Well, when a certain voting population makes up the majority in a small geographical area, their district represents their political opinion. When politicians of either party get the opportunity to change district lines, they have the chance to affect the outcome of future votes by cracking or packing, the two most common strategies for gerrymandering. Let's say politicians want to limit the voting effectiveness of a group by packing. They might draw crazy district lines just to get everyone who is likely to vote one way all wrapped up in a single district with only one vote. On the other hand, they might try splitting up a group's voting power by cracking the district into several pieces. If each new district ends up with a new majority, the voice of the initial population is muffled and ignored. This can be a disadvantage for minority groups who live near each other and vote in a similar way. And though partisan gerrymandering is legal, the US Supreme Court has offered some guidance. Redistricting is important because population densities and political views are always changing and evolving. And where those district lines are placed can be detrimental, beneficial, or both. Where do we draw the line?